Somebody mentioned birds. ThaiBirdSpot. So this week I'm up in the far north of the country at Doi Lang in Chiang Mai, and it's damn cold. 12 degrees to be exact. But who cares about the cold when you've got these stunning views looking out over the mountains of Burma? Or is that Myanmar? Doi Lang has got to be one of the best birding sites in Thailand, certainly the best in the north. I think to date, holding about 400 different species. The spot-breasted parrotbill has to be one of the most reliable birds here, and I think this one has been regularly performing in the same spot for a good few years now. 5 seconds of playback and up he pops to give his performance. The spot-breasted parrotbill can be found in Bangladesh, China, India, Laos, Myanmar, Thailand, Vietnam, and Burma. Did somebody say Myanmar? And up to about 3,000 meters. Its main habitat is around grass, scrub, bamboo, and it feeds on insects and their larvae, berries and seeds. So sit back, relax, and enjoy his beautiful song. Oh, I forgot to mention, the sexes are similar in size and coloration, so it could be her song. You've got to admit this is one stunning looking bird. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Well, that's it for part 1 of the Doi Lang trip. There will be more videos coming soon, so keep an eye out for those. I hope you enjoyed this little one on the spot-breasted parrotbill. Don't forget, please like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. So, that's all for now. See you on the next one. Bye for now.